fiction, that's facts. Always forgiven, I don't care about opinion, that's facts. Facts. That's facts. One I was missing.
Hello everybody, hi girlies, welcome in. I always start this vlog and then the battery is dead and then I have to cut and get a new battery. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. All right, so I can't even think, y'all. We are spending a Saturday together because we love spending time together, right? We're like friends, besties, we're like this. Anyway, so I have been up since like before the sun was out because that's just what I've been cursed with. So I got up, made coffee, of course. It's actually right here, and yes, I have reheated it once already. And then I did devotion. Devotion was really good. I'm obsessed with the new like EP record from House Fires, the chapel sessions, so good. And then in the devotion, my prayer was about how God has been so loving towards me. And even though like I'm not really worthy of his love, but he's just been so unconditionally kind and good to me. And I also prayed against money anxiety because now that I am moving out and I am responsible for my livelihood and like bills and stuff, money is like now on my mind again, which was great. For the past 3 years I have not had to think about money. God is really faithful for that, but now I do. And so I'm trying to cast all of that on him because he says to do that. So yeah, so that's what our devotion was about this morning. Now we are going to get ready, of course, and we can't ever just get ready, you know, like getting ready means a whole bunch of filming and like setup and whatever. I do have to do this product. I have to film for this product, so I will be doing that. We are going to the mall. Ooh, no, we are going, sorry, I'm looking at a text. We are going to the mall because my mom's birthday is on Tuesday. And I would like to get, what's my train of thought here? Oh, I would like to get her a Coach purse for her birthday. She's turning 50, by the way. That's a huge birthday. So I want to get her a Coach purse because she said that's what she wants. Mind you, this lady has so many Coach purses already, but she has a lot of like big tote bags. She wants like a nice like evening purse, like going out purse from Coach. So we're gonna go and see what we can find, Lord Jesus. And here I am again thinking about the money. Anyways, so yeah, that's what we're gonna go to do. We're also, of course, going to have a mooch around. We can't just go into the mall and not look around, especially since that mall, I've never been there. And it's a famous mall here in Atlanta, and I've never been there. I'm actually scared because people get robbed out there, so pray for me. But yeah, so we're gonna go out there. We're also gonna take a look in other stores. Like they have an Aritzia, never been in Aritzia. They have an Anthropologie. They have, somebody's moving out, look at that. Or is that just trash? I don't know, I'm being nosy. Anyway, they have an Aritzia, they have an Anthropologie. I think they have a Skims. They have a Sephora, of course, so we're not gonna spend. We're not gonna spend, but we are gonna look, and yeah. So that's what our day is going to consist of, and I'm very, very excited to go look at things and go look at clothes. So yeah, let's go. Okay, I'm back. Almost had a mental breakdown, but we're here. We made it. This is not the outfit that I wanted to wear. I don't know if I can like scoot back far enough to show you. Hold on. And yes, my place is messy. I don't even know if you can see this, but this is not the outfit that I wanted to wear. Like I did not want to wear sweats to the mall, but here we are. Also, my makeup, I hate it, and the only thing different about my makeup is that like cream that I had to make the video about, and I do not like it. And so that's gonna be awkward when they like ask for the video and I'm just like, I didn't like it, it didn't look good. So sorry, it's gonna be so awkward. Anyway, I am still going. I just had to change my outfit, and then I messed up one of my, like, one of the tank tops I was gonna wear. I messed it up with my lip, and it was just a lot. And that luteal phase, I'm in the luteal phase, and it's like really like flaring up. Like I can feel like the luteal rage flaring up because I'm just so like annoyed. But I'm trying to just breathe through it and like keep my composure. So I did change locations. Okay, I'm just gonna be specific. I was gonna go to Lenox Square, but talked myself out of it because I'm scared. I'm scared. They say that Lenox is like really, really bad, and it's like especially bad like, you know, closer to the holidays, and I don't want to be walking around by myself. The thing is that Lenox is the only mall that has like Aritzia and Anthropology. Well, not the only one, but like it's the only, yeah, it's the mall that, it's the only one that has Aritzia here in Atlanta, and it has all like the fancier like stores. But that's okay. We're gonna go to Mall of Georgia in Beaufort. It's gonna be a drive. It's gonna be like an hour and 30 drive, which is insane. But yeah, so we're gonna go out there, and it'll be good because then I'll save my money, because Mall of Georgia doesn't have anything like, doesn't have anything fancy or crazy over there. They have like H&M and like all your regular stores. It's not like very high-end stores over there, so I probably won't want to buy anything anyway. But yeah, so we changed locations. We're gonna go all the way to Beaufort and then come back. Hopefully I find something to buy for my mom. But yeah, y'all, that whole like outfit fiasco really like has made me upset. I'm really trying to breathe through it, y'all. Like I just want to sit down and cry right now. And I know that it's like I said, the luteal hormones, that's what it is. My period's about to start. My period can start at any moment actually. This might be too much information, but yeah, so I know that's why I'm feeling like this. And honestly, if I didn't have all this makeup on, I probably would be like boo-hooing right now, like crying my eyes out right now. Anyways, let's go, because this drive is going to be long, and then it's also Saturday in the middle of the day, so everybody and their moms is going to be out there. And yeah, not gonna lie, that felt like a road trip. I took one highway to get on another highway to get on another highway. It was insane. Anyways, we're here, so let's see what they have. I am back in my, oh, focus please. I'm back in my car. Okay, I'm back in my car. I got a corn dog and I wanted to try it. It's a Korean corn dog. I've tried this before. Have I? I think I have. I probably didn't like it, but we're about to try it again. It has garlic sauce on it. I like the garlic sauce. Ooh, good. I just got the plain, I should have got a bottle of water. That's what I forgot, because there's no water here. I'm gonna be thirsty, or I can like stop somewhere and get like water. But okay, now I'm gonna try it with the cheese mustard. It literally tastes like honey mustard. Ooh, it's really good though. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys now what I got, because it wasn't a lot. Of course, I got my mom's purse. I decided to go for a burgundy tabby. I was in there contemplating for like a good wow. And then I went into Sephora. I got one thing, the Road Blush in Toasted Teddy. I have went to Sephora 3 times looking for this, and the 3rd time was the charm, because that's when I found it. It was sold out all the other times. Okay, this I'm very excited about. When I saw that they had a, what's the name of that store? Miniso? What's it called? Water. When I saw that they have one of these stores, you know the stores I'm talking about, I went in there because I've wanted one of these for the longest time. This is the Winnie the Pooh like blind box, and it's like charms that you can put on like your purse and stuff. I've seen these all over TikTok. I've always wanted one of these, and then one of the crybabies. They didn't have crybaby. They didn't have the crybaby charm. It's apparently only on Pop Mart. But they did have these, so let's see. I don't care which one I get. Usually on TikTok they tell like which one they don't want. Okay, I would say the only one that I don't want is the sheep one because of its eyes, but all the rest of them I am so happy to get. So let's see which one it is. Is there a place to rip it? Yes. It's not the sheep one, it's this one. Oh, it's the little squirrel one. That is so cute. It's so cute. Looks like this. It's a little squirrel. So I'm gonna attach it to either my work purse or like, yeah, probably my work purse, because I already have like my jelly cat on that purse. So yeah, my little squirrel, Winnie the Pooh, that is so cute. All right, so just satisfied a long held TikTok dream. All right, then I went into H&M and I got two things, some socks and a cardigan, because I don't have a long like brown cardigan, and they were 30% off. And then last I went to Aerie to get some pajamas. So I just got these like striped pajamas. I shall be wearing them tonight and tomorrow night because yeah. So now it is time to go home. We have what, an hour drive back home? Okay, hold on. Let me see what our drive is back home. This not hot dog. This corn dog is so good. I don't know. Oh, no, less than an hour. Look at God. All right, let's go. Okay, so I'm about to head out to church. Got ready and everything. Did my makeup a different way after the fiasco that was yesterday, and it looks so good. I actually did Tony Bravo's makeup routine, how she does her makeup. She is, of course, much more glowier than I am, because I don't like a glowy look because I'm oily. So trust me, it'll glow by the end of the day. Just wait on it. Yeah, so I'm about to go. Here is my purse. I have like 10 minutes, but my stomach is growling and I don't want to eat, but I'm hungry. Has anybody like ran into that dilemma before? Like, you're hungry, but you don't want to eat. So I'm gonna try and like force feed myself something, and yeah, we'll be out the door. I'm here talking to myself. Why is it so mean? I'm here talking to myself, so I thought I would just tell you guys. So I watched Frankenstein. My head cut off. I watched Frankenstein last night on Netflix. It was really good. It like was not at all what I thought it would be. I was like searching for something to watch on TikTok. Again, bacon in the background. I feel like we've done this before. I was scrolling on TikTok trying to figure out what to watch while I ate my food, you know, as we all do. And they were saying how good Frankenstein was, and I didn't even know it was on, I didn't even know it was on like Netflix. So I watched it. It was so good. Apparently I didn't even really know the true story or how the story went, because I was shocked when I was watching it. I was like, oh, okay. So yeah, if you haven't watched Frankenstein, watch it on Netflix. It's not scary. It's kind of like gross and like gory, but it's not scary, if that makes sense. There's no trash in there. I want to watch All Her Fault next. I have been hearing a lot about that show and how good it is, but it's on Peacock and I have a Peacock subscription, but they're saying that I need to upgrade my subscription to watch the show. And it's just like, why? Like, I don't like when they do that. Let the subscription that I have just be the subscription for everything. Why is it that I have to like, why do you have different tiers of subscription? Why do you have different tiers of subscriptions? Like, just what I pay be it. Like, so I'm gonna try and find another way to watch it, because I really don't want to pay more for Peacock, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, yeah, waiting on that to fry. It's starting to like smoke. Hey. Oh gosh. Hey, I'm back, as you guys can see, and it has been quite some time. It's like 5:59, so it's 6 o'clock now. Washed my hair. I'm actually in the middle of washing my hair. It has, what's it called, the Olay Perfector in it right now, so I'm letting that sit, and I'm going to be cleaning up my kitchen and putting some stuff away. I've come to terms with the fact that not everything is going to get done this evening, and that we might have to save some stuff for tomorrow evening, but I'm going to try my hardest to get everything done. I started cleaning my bathroom. I took what I had in the dryer, I took that out. Yeah, I'm going to unload the dishwasher and try and clean off like my kitchen counter, and then we'll see what else I can like take off of the to-do list. But yeah, I don't know why I didn't take my makeup off before doing my hair. It's like insane. Anyways, and I'm wearing a white tank top to do my hair, which is not very smart. But anyway, here we are.
Just the beginning, it don't get no better.
Okay, so I do want to let you guys know what I'm using to do my hair, because yeah, why not? So focus on me. It's always focusing on what's in the background. I don't know why. There we go. And then the fan in my bathroom is gonna come on. Sorry about that. But to wash my hair, I'm using the Sacred Detoxifying Shampoo. This stuff is so like tingly, but I really like it. It smells like peppermint. Is that in here? Y'all, I'm bleeding. Hold on, I didn't even realize. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I have a first aid kit, but I can't find it. I don't know where it's at. So I did dry the blood off, but I'm gonna have to go out to my car because I have a first aid kit in my car. But I have like the one in my car, but then I also have a big one. I just don't know where it is. Anyway, so when washing my hair, I wash with this Sacred Detoxifying Shampoo. It's really good. I really like it. Yeah, I like that it tingles and it smells like mint and it's really nice. And then I also go in with some Nizoral. Here we go. This is for all of my dandruff, eczema, psoriasis girlies. If you know, you know. Then right now, what's in my hair is this Olaplex hair perfector. This is my first time using this, and I've heard people talk about this all the time. So yeah, I will let you guys know if I like it and if I see any difference or anything like that. Yeah, and then I'm going to be using the Briogeo deconditioning mask. Once I rinse this out of my hair, this is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this in the place of a conditioner because I realized I don't have a conditioner. So I do have a leave-in conditioner. This is Pattern leave-in conditioner. I'm going to use this to do my braid out, twist out, whatever I decide to do. And then I'll probably seal it with my Sacred oil, this one right here. So yeah, that is my hair routine. Boom. Okay, so I have done a lot since I last talked to you guys. I prepped for lunch tomorrow, and then I went and got dinner, and then I finished my hair. It's in some plaits, so hopefully the twist out or the braid out looks good tomorrow. Cross our fingers. Put on these PJs. These are the ones from Aerie that I showed you guys in my haul. And yeah, I have just a couple more things I need to do. I'm gonna clean up and then we are going to get in bed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.